The Kohler name is synonymous with elegance, beauty, and bathware. And almost as long as they've been making faucets, they have been providing power. The Kohler Power Systems division is one of the leading manufacturers of generators in the United States. And from marine to industrial to mobile units, the technology and science powering these units has been years in the making. This is the building science of Kohler generators. Since 1921, the Kohler Power System product line has provided power for people and businesses across all types of applications. Their ability to progress and adapt to the market has been a staple for Kohler's success in this category. One of their newest products is a cost-effective solution for primary power for builders, contractors, and business owners. Here's a look at Kohler Power Systems' new mobile generator powered by propane.
Kohler has been manufacturing mobile generators basically since the inception of the company, but with the new Tier 4 final regulations coming in through the EPA, we decided to focus and come up with a completely new design, and at that same time we introduced the gaseous mobile unit as well.
So when you say since the beginning of the company, that's almost 100 years.
Right, and as long as we've been in business, people have been asking to put units on wheels.
And for contractors that are on the job site, whether it's one home or whether it's an entire neighborhood, this is a mobile unit. It's in the product title. So this is something that they can use and reuse and really make for their primary power source number one.
If that's what they need. You know, every construction job is a little bit different, but it's an easy product to move, manipulate, and reconfigure for whatever the contractor needs.
With the EPA regulations on diesel becoming more and more strict, the product is becoming bigger, there's a lot more after treatments on it, and it's becoming a lot more expensive. So customers have been asking for a gaseous solution, and at the same time, our engine supplier came out with an engine that was rugged enough to handle prime applications. So those two events coming together allowed us to develop this product.
So a move to propane is throughout the industry. People are understanding the efficiencies of propane use more than ever.
Correct. So if you look at a comparable 100 kW diesel versus propane, a customer can save up to 20% in fuel costs based on the current rates.
The need for a cleaner and more versatile fuel source is always top of mind for Kohler. The use of propane within the mobile unit fits their needs and most importantly the customers. From the most remote locations to a construction site in a big city, this mobile generator is engineered for mobility and usability. Now these are designed for a lot of different applications. It's not just one.
No. People use these for disaster relief, construction, events.
Healthcare, data centers.
Right. Wherever you need backup power or prime power where there's not a utility available.
Propane is very efficient. You get a lot of energy out of a BTU of propane. It's highly efficient. So you get a lot of power for not a lot of operating cost.
And the cost efficiencies for the owner are substantial.
They are, particularly in the fuel usage. The fuel is that much cheaper to burn. So for hour, they're saving dollars.
Really, it is as easy to use as any diesel unit, and you have fuel savings that are tremendous.
The mobile generator unit powered by propane is dynamic and cost competitive. But that didn't just happen by chance. The team of engineers and scientists responsible for the development need to understand all potential applications and users. Next, we look at the innovation and processes that are changing the face of mobile power. For Building Science, I'm Adam Grubb.